shots ring out in a barroom night. Enter Patty Valentine from the hall above. She sees a bartender in a pool of blood. Cries out, my God, they killed my love. Here comes the story of the hurricane. The man the authorities came to blame for something that he'd never done. But in a prison cell at one time, he could have been the champion of the world. Three bodies lying there, does Patty see? And another man named Bello moving around mysteriously. I didn't do it, he says, and he holds up his hands. I was only rubbing the register, I hope you understand. But I saw them leaving, he says, and he stops. One of us had better call up the cops. And so Patty calls the cops. And they arrive on the scene with the red lights flashing in the hot New Jersey night. Meanwhile, far away in another part of town, Reuben Carter and a couple of friends are driving around. Number one contender for the middleweight crown had no idea what kind of shit was about to go down. When the cops pulled him over to the side of the road, just like the time before and the time before that in Patterson, that's just the way things go. If you're black, you better not show up on the street unless you want to draw the heat. 4 in the morning and they haul Reuben in. They took him to the hospital and they brought him upstairs. The Reuben wounded man looks up to his one dying eye and said, why'd you bring him in here for? He ain't the guy. Here comes the story of the hurricane. The man the authorities came to blame for something that he'd never done. But in a prison cell but one time, he could have been the champion of the world. Now Reuben can take a man out with just one punch, but he never liked to talk about it all that much. It's my work, he'd say, and I do it for pay. And when it's over, I just as soon go on my way up to some paradise where the trout streams flow and the air is nice, and ride a horse along the trail. But then they took him to the jailhouse where they tried to turn a man into a mouse. Now all of Reuben's cards were marked in advance. The trial was a big circus, he never had a chance. The judge called Reuben's witnesses drunkards from the slums, and to the white folks who watched, he was a revolutionary bum, and to the black folks, he was just a tragic figure. Nobody doubted that he pulled the trigger, and though they could not produce the gun, the DA said he was the one who did the deed, and the all-white jury agreed. Criminals in their coats and ties are free to drink martinis and watch the sunrise, while Reuben sits like Buddha in a 10-foot cell, an innocent man in a living hell. Yeah, that's the story of the hurricane, but it won't be over till they clear his name and give him back the time he's done. But in a prison cell but one time, he could have been the champion of the world.